If we place an object on an inclined plane, the object in this case is just a regular video cassette tape, we're going to have similar forces at work. Gravity is going to exert a force straight down. The incline will exert a force perpendicular to itself, to its direction, up at a perpendicular to the incline. And something else is going to have to exert a force back this way along the incline. Analogous to the gravitational force here, the force exerted by this balance and the force exerted by this balance. In fact, the forces will be in a very similar proportion because the angle of the incline is very similar to the angle of this string. The force holding the let's back up a second. The gravitational force then can be thought of as having a component in this direction equal and opposite to the force that's analogous to the tension in the string. That is equal and opposite to the normal force, the perpendicular force exerted by the plane, and a component down the plane equal and opposite to the force that's holding the object back, analogous to the force of tension in this string. Now, what provides the force to prevent the component of gravity in this direction from accelerating the object down the plane, as it will if I simply release the object? Well, there's some friction. There is some friction on the surface, but it's not enough to hold the object back. The object will accelerate down the plane. Now, I've got a tack right here that provides the rest of the force. So that again, we have the weight acting straight down that can be resolved into components in this direction and straight down the plane, that is perpendicular to the plane and parallel to the plane. And we have a combination of friction and the force of the tack acting back in the direction up the plane.